Sleep-inducing foods, what you should eat for great sleep. Every day we eat food, a routine most of us probably take for granted. We eat to alleviate hunger, we eat to gain energy, and we eat to partake in celebrations, and sometimes we eat to numb emotions, though hopefully not too often. But have you ever thought of eating as a way to help you sleep? It may not seem intuitive to think of food in this way, but people who are strategic about their bedtime snacks can enjoy amazingly restful sleep and therefore amazingly energized days. In this video, I'm going to help you be one of those people. I'm going to help you leverage the power of food to optimize your biology and activate your potential. Hey there, I'm Daniel Arnason, the founder of Activated Potential. Welcome to our YouTube channel, your go-to resource of useful health hack videos to maximize your energy and help you feel on top of the world. In this video, we'll talk about a topic you might not readily associate with sleep, which is food, but specifically foods that help you get some quality sleep. As you already know, proper sleep is critical to your health and well-being, and without it, living a fully energized life is impossible. If your sleep is poor, you'll feel bad and your mitochondria will suffer. It's as simple as that. So, you need to make sure that you're giving your body and your mitochondria the sleep they need. As we've discussed in previous videos, there are many factors we need to consider to optimize sleep, and one of these is nutrition. When it comes to sleep nutrition, we need to look at two things. First, does the food provide the right type of energy? When we sleep, it's best for your body to get some easily digestible energy. This means fats if you're in a ketogenic state, and easily digestible carbs if you aren't. Second, we need to look at the nutrients. Some nutrients are extra important for sleep and others will simply help us fall and stay asleep. In this video, I'll give you the top 7 sleep-inducing foods you can eat just before bed to help you sleep better and faster. So number 1 is almonds. First on our list is a classic pre-sleep snack, almonds. Almonds are delicious, but did you know that they are actually one of the best foods to elevate your mood and help you sleep? You see, almonds contain high amounts of an amino acid called L-tryptophan. In the body, tryptophan turns into a neurotransmitter called serotonin, which can help elevate your mood. And in fact, serotonin is so powerful at improving one's mood that antidepressants today work by affecting serotonin. So yes, serotonin makes you happy, and if you're happy, you have an easier time falling asleep. However, serotonin actually improves your sleep by another mechanism. You see, your body uses serotonin to make the sleep hormone melatonin. So usually, more tryptophan equals more serotonin, and more serotonin equals more melatonin. So more almonds mean a happier and a more well-rested you. Now, you might think, why don't I just take tryptophan supplements? You could do that, but I'd recommend just sticking with almonds. They're cheaper, more natural, and certainly more delicious. So if you need a bedtime snack, consider eating a handful of almonds, which incidentally is a great choice for you low-carb eaters out there. Not only will you help yourself enjoy a better night's sleep, but you'll also provide your body with extra energy it can use to perform all the necessary biological tasks it needs to help you wake up fresh and full of energy. Number 2, apple cider vinegar. Next is one of my personal favorites, apple cider vinegar. Yes, it seems like apple cider vinegar is used for pretty much anything and everything these days, right? Well, here's yet one more box you can check off under apple cider vinegar's long list of benefits. It can help you fall asleep. In fact, apple cider vinegar is one of the oldest known sleep remedies, having been used even by ancient civilizations. After drinking a glass of apple cider vinegar, diluted in water of course, I start feeling sleepy almost immediately. I've experienced no weird side effects from having it regularly, and it's just super awesome. It's not habit forming and it doesn't leave me groggy in the morning. Its positive effects don't seem to diminish over time either. We don't know exactly how apple cider vinegar works, though many theories abound. But we do know it works, and it works wonders. Just one caveat though, apple cider vinegar doesn't provide your body with much energy, so it's best to take it with something else. a good option is what comes next on our list. And this is one of my favorite sleep snacks. Number 3 is honey. You might be surprised by this because we don't often recommend something as sugary as honey, but honey is special. It is actually full of nutrients and provides numerous other health benefits. It even has antibacterial properties too. But the sleep benefits of honey mainly come from it being a great source of super easily digestible energy. It's extremely easy for your body to use the energy that honey provides. However, unlike most other forms of simple carbs, honey is digested slowly. This means that the energy you get from consuming honey right before bed should last you literally throughout the entire night. This truly is optimal energy for sleep, and this is very important. I recommend taking honey in combination with apple cider vinegar and the next item on our list as well. And number 4 is calming teas. So next up are calming teas, which are so powerful that they probably come as no surprise to you. I recommend chamomile. Another good option is passion flower tea. This is especially good for anyone suffering from anxiety as well. Calming teas are probably the most used sleep remedy out there, and for a good reason. In addition to their own special benefits, they will also induce changes in your body temperature, which, as you know if you've been following this channel, will make you sleepier. But let me add one more note. Make sure not to consume passion flower or valerian containing teas regularly. They're okay on occasion, but make sure to have an option without those ingredients for regular use. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a good idea to have apple cider vinegar and honey with your tea. I also add in some MCT oil to provide my body with some extra energy in the form of fat, healthy fat, before bed. Before moving on to the next sleep-inducing food, I'd like to quickly introduce you to our Ultimate Energy Crash Course, a powerful guide full of health, nutrition, and environmental hacks to energize your life and optimize your health. Get your free copy by visiting activatedbody.com or click on the link below this video. Number 5, bananas. At number 5 on our list are bananas. Bananas are delicious and nutritious, being a great source of both magnesium and potassium. They'll make for a nice evening snack and give your mitochondria a nice boost. They do, however, contain a considerable amount of sugar, so don't overindulge. But if there's a perfect time to eat them, it's right before bed. They will provide you with easy energy and better sleep. This should be a go-to option, especially when you're feeling a bit hungry. Number 6, kiwi fruit. If there's a superfood out there, it just might be kiwi fruit. As with most fruits, though kiwi is technically a berry, which is one of the reasons it's so healthy, it will provide you with quick energy and a sleep-inducing sugar crash. However, kiwi will also provide you with an amazing amount of nutrients. Being so full of vitamins and minerals, kiwi is a great option for those concerned that they might not be fulfilling their micronutrient needs. With just one kiwi providing you with all your daily vitamin C requirements, you'll get an antioxidant boost that might just be the extra something your body needs to be able to fully repair and restore itself during sleep. Moreover, you'll wake up with your mitochondria taking away full force, creating the energy you need to get out of bed right when you need to or want to. Number 7, tart cherries. 7th on our list are tart cherries. Of course, just as other fruits, tart cherries will provide the energy boost and sugar crash you need to help you fall asleep. But there's something special about tart cherries. They actually contain the single most important chemical for proper sleep, melatonin. As you know, melatonin is the sleep hormone, and that's why melatonin supplements are so popular. However, we do not recommend supplementing with melatonin for 2 reasons. First, most supplements contain way too much melatonin. Second, taking melatonin too often and in too large doses can actually cause your body to produce less of it. Therefore, we recommend that you opt for cherries instead. They'll give you just enough melatonin without overloading your system. You'll get a natural source of melatonin along with all the other nutritional benefits of cherries. Now, before I close, I'd like to remind you and encourage you to visit activatedbody.com so you can claim your free copy of the Ultimate Energy Crash Course. You'll get our proven deep sleep ritual, along with other ways to help you leverage the power of nutrition and your environment for optimal health. Just go to activatedbody.com or click the link below this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode about what foods to eat for a more restful night's sleep. Got questions? If so, please ask them below in the comments. I will respond personally. And for other ways to optimize your biology, please subscribe to this channel. You can also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're updated and notified each time I upload new videos. That's it, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.